Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I got this 2022 Triumph Street Scrambler with just 800 miles for only $4,700. Some of you may know that I picked up this 2022 Triumph Scrambler for $2,200 on November 22nd, 2022. Just kidding. That last part was a lie. But I did pick it up on the 17th of November, and yes, it was $2,200. It had a salvage title and it had been rear-ended. I'm gonna take you through the list of all the parts I replaced and give you a final breakdown of how much it cost me to finish this bike. I end up replacing the brake lever and clutch lever, stator cover, rear wheel, seat, rear fender assembly, tail light and turn signals, stock mufflers, and front brake reservoir bracket. All of the parts I got were OEM except for the brake and clutch levers. The total for all these parts added up to $2,294.76. Add that to the total purchase price of the bike, $2,244.88. Of course, that includes auction fees and taxes, plus travel expenses, which added up to $202.21.87 for the title application form, for a grand total of $4,773.51. For a bike worth 10 grand, I'd say that's worth it. But what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For those who follow my channel, I'll have a couple more videos up on the R6 build between now and early April. So stay tuned, and most importantly, ride safe.